Singapore isn't just preparing for the future, it's building it, one humanoid robot at a time. With an ambitious goal to deploy AI-powered humanoid firefighters into real emergency situations by 2027, and to make them fully autonomous by 2029. The country is investing heavily in a future where machines will walk into danger when humans can't. At the center of this transformation is a $100 million national initiative, driven by the Home Team Science and Technology Agency, HTX. Their new Home Team Humanoid Robotics Center, H2RC, expected to open by mid-2026, will become the world's first dedicated facility to develop humanoid robots specifically for public safety and rescue missions. A new kind of emergency responder. The humanoid robots being developed by HTX aren't just toys or some prototypes. These are mission-ready machines built for real-world deployment, designed to walk, carry tools, navigate through smoke or rubble, and even communicate with humans. The robots are aimed at tasks such as firefighting, hazardous materials response, urban search and rescue, emergency assistance in disaster zones. These aren't just remote-controlled machines. The long-term plan is for the robots to act independently, capable of making real-time decisions in high-stress environments. In many ways, Singapore is betting that robots will be the next generation of first responders. Phoenix rises. The AI brain behind the machines. What makes this project especially amazing is the AI behind the robots. HTX has developed its own proprietary large language model, codenamed Phoenix, specifically trained for the linguistic, cultural, and operational context of Singapore.
Tired of your coffee going cold? The Ember mug keeps your drink perfectly hot, so the last sip is as good as the first. The perfect upgrade for you, or a great gift for our loved ones. Click the link in the comments section to buy now.
Phoenix is fully proficient in 4 of Singapore's official languages. These are English, Mandarin, Malay, and Tamil. This makes it a multilingual, context-aware brain that can assist officers, coordinate rescue efforts, and communicate with civilians. In collaboration with Microsoft and Mistral AI, HTX is also working on Microsoft's Phi-4 multimodal SLM, fine-tuned for public safety. Custom LLMs from Mistral AI, designed for high-performance decision-making in emergencies. The goal is not only to automate complex tasks, but to make sure these robots can adapt and interact with their environment and team members. Inside the H2RC, a robotics lab built for crisis. The Home Team Humanoid Robotics Center, H2RC, isn't just another research facility, it's the launchpad for Singapore's AI-driven safety revolution. It will include dedicated zones for AI training and real-world simulation, high-performance computing infrastructure for real-time processing, motion capture and data collection areas, multi-robot testing environments for large-scale coordination scenarios. It is supposed to open in mid-2026. This center will be the global benchmark for how AI and robotics can be embedded directly into civil emergency response systems. This isn't about replacing firefighters, it's about protecting them. We're building partners, not substitutes, said one HTX engineer during the AI Tech Explorer showcase. The robots on display. At a recent exhibition, HTX displayed 4 humanoid robots, including 3 full-sized models around 5.6 feet tall and 1 compact version about 4 feet. The smaller unit attracted a huge amount of attention. It was operated via a wearable exosuit, allowing the human controller to move and see through the robot using a VR headset. This setup isn't flashy, by the way. It allows a human operator to feel what the robot feels, enabling precise, intuitive control during delicate or dangerous missions. Personal commentary: robots as firefighters, fantasy or future. At first, the words humanoid firefighter might sound like something out of a comic book or Marvel. But what Singapore is doing feels less like fantasy now. In an age of climate change and huge disasters, take COVID for example, putting humans on the front line of every emergency just isn't sustainable. These robots aren't here to take jobs. They're here to take the damage so humans don't have to. When a society entrusts its robots not just with convenience, like vacuuming or food delivery, but with public safety and human life, that is a new level of integration between machine and civilization. Personally, I think it's one of the most ethical uses of AI we've seen in years. Oh, and if you want to see the weird uses of AI, just go through my channel. People are falling in love with ChatGPT and robots. Global implications. If Singapore pulls this off, and the early signs are really promising, it won't just change the face of emergency response. It could rewrite how governments worldwide view robotics as a public service. Instead of limiting AI to surveillance or chatbots, Singapore is giving it a moral function, saving lives.
What if your water bottle glowed to help you reach your hydration goals? The Lark bottle does. Its smart sensor tracks your intake and glows to remind you when it's time to drink. Plus, it purifies your water on the go. Prioritize your health with the perfect gift for you and your loved ones. Click the link in the comment section to never forget to hydrate again.
It's a bold move that may encourage other nations to invest in. Earthquake response robots, wildfire containment bots, humanoid responders for war zones and refugee support. Countries like Japan and South Korea already lead in humanoid robot development, but Singapore is the first to fully integrate it with national safety strategy. And I respect that a lot. What people are saying. LinkedIn, AI researcher, Singapore. The Phoenix AI model may end up being the first sovereign LLM truly optimized for life or death situations. That alone is groundbreaking. YouTube, tech commentator. We keep saying, don't let AI take over. But what if it's taking over the jobs that kill us? Reddit, our futurology. This could be a blueprint for climate change response. Send robots into floods, fires, and collapsed buildings. Twitter X user. I'd rather send a robot into a burning structure than a rookie. If Singapore nails this, we need to follow their lead. Challenges that still remain. Despite all the hype, this isn't a guaranteed success at all. Real problems include autonomy. Current robots still require some human oversight. Mobility, uneven terrain, and extreme heat remain major issues. Battery life, extended operations may exceed current power capabilities. Trust, can human teams rely on robots when seconds count? Yet every technology has to go through some problems at the start, and Singapore appears ready to push through it. Why it matters. This isn't just about fire and rescue. It's about what humanoid AI can become when purposefully and responsibly deployed. These robots won't just be pieces of metal, they'll change the entire safety system. Singapore isn't just asking, can we build robots? It's asking, can we build robots that can help us fight fires? If that doesn't sound cool, I don't know what does. AI is everywhere, but in Singapore, it's being grounded in something important. A life saved, a fire put out, and a disaster navigated safely. The deployment of humanoid robots into emergency roles by 2027 and their evolution into fully autonomous agents by 2029 is more than a science project. It shows that if used the right way, humanoid robots are more than showpieces. They can be our safety system, and a new standard can be set if this works out. And here's the thing, if other countries are paying attention, we might just see a new era of robotics where AI doesn't just assist us, it helps us in everything. So, what do you think? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more mind-blowing news on AI robots and new tech.